Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a melted clown makeup tutorial. Starting off, I'm going to be outlining where I want it to be. I'm using Wet n Wild's the paint palettes that they had at the store last year. And I'm just going to draw a line. I kind of want this whole side to be like the face a little bit, so I just want to avoid this area because I don't want to glue this one down just yet. So I'm thinking... we'll go like that on the side. It's not going to be perfect. I'm going to go in with Maybelline Superstay Matte Skin Tint. Yeah, 24-hour skin tint. I just want to do the base down because we're eventually going to have to go back in and like drip it down. I just want to get most of it up here. That way there's no issues. So I just went in and I just wiped off all the extra makeup that went over the lines. Next I'm going to go in and I'm going to glue my eyebrow down. I'm just going to skip ahead on this one. If you want, I can do like more of a detailed tutorial sometime. But I don't want to bore you with the whole process. Next I'm going to go in with Mehron's Cream Blend Stick and we're just going to fill in the whole bottom part. And the upper part over my eye. I like to just go in with a damp beauty blender and just treat it like foundation. Okay, I've been changing my mind. I don't know if I said melted skull, but we're doing melted clown makeup look now instead. So I'm going to take the black in this palette, and I've been debating on the mouth a lot. We're going to do just like a regular kind of black mouth. Just switching over to voiceover here, so I ended up doing more of like a drip on the bottom of the mouth here. Then I'm gonna do like a little spiral on the nose. I wanted to keep it kind of simple, but I didn't want to do like the same like black circle nose that I went in with Wet n Wild's Color Icon palette. And I just kind of contoured a little bit with the black eyeshadow. Kind of adding like a crazy eyeshadow contour look, and I kind of went back in to blend it in with the sponge with some white paint. Then I went in with Snazaroo's black paint and started doing like the clown kind of triangles above and below my eye. I kind of wanted it to look more of like an ink kind of look, so I didn't fully fill it in. I kind of watered down the paint a little bit in the center and just darkened the outline. Then I just filled in along my eye, added little teardrops on the side, and just touched up my mouth. Just darkening the contour on both sides. And dragging it along my chin, and I kind of just added more black to make it look more like a speckled look with the wet paint. Then I just went in with the black paint to do my eyeliner, added the little inner liner. Then I just went back in with the same kind of technique where I just wet the edges of the brush and very lightly tapped to give it like a stamping effect. To be honest, I wasn't quite sure what I was doing. Then I went in with some white paint as well, and I'm just like making it messier with the eyeshadow brush that I put the black paint. Then I went in with Ioni's lashes, and I'm contouring with Wet n Wild's highlight contour stick. Then I went in with e.l.f.'s Lash and Roll mascara. It just took my Maybelline foundation again. I went back in and did the drips with the Superstay Matte. Kind of dragging it upward because I want it to look like a teardrop. I just kind of used my finger then for the most part. Then I went back in with the sponge and kind of blended the foundation better into my skin while also keeping the drop. I didn't think to do it, but you could also go in and add more detail like around the drops. I don't know why it slipped my mind. So then I just went back in and touched up my face. I added some white. Just going back in with some final touches. So here is my final look for the melted clown makeup look. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Halloween content this October. I'm going to be doing a mix of like gaming and makeup. Not sure if I'm going to have any baked goods in between. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.